Hi, my name is Kate. I'm promoting Liston Enterprises' new carbon footprint help for business. Working with business owners, we understand cost is a concern when updating old inefficient equipment. Many don't understand the savings this brings. Our mission is to help communicate available funding opportunities to business owners. We are launching our special 123 awareness program. 1. Making better efficiencies. 2. Reduce costs. 3. Improve the environment. Our bespoke financial models absorb upfront investment and achieve payback in amazingly short time periods. Find out more. Call 01737 242122. Email sales@listonenterprises.com. Ask for the Liston Enterprises Carbon Footprint Solutions. We look forward to helping your business to save money and become more efficient.